model, 2016 Land Rover Disco Y Sport Luxury HSETD4A. Body, grey, estate. Mileage, 98,875. MOT, the 25th of July 2025. Engine, 1999 CCTD for 180 EU6A. Transmission, 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, engine does not run due to the turbo needing replacing. Easy fix for the correct person. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seat and boot area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest car which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, reversing camera, parking sensors, air con, alloy wheels, sat-nav, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,725. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.